Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can adjust your Facebook post picture or a YouTube thumbnail. It's a very easy process, so do not purchase any software for this purpose. I'm just going to show you that you can how easily and free do this task. First of all, you have to. I'm doing in this for this in Figma, which is a free software for everything for graphic designing. You can do it everything free here. Now, first of all, we have to place a picture here. Place an image. For example, I'm just placing this image. Let's hold the shift key and place this image. As you see that this image, now I'm going to adjust this for my thumbnail. Here you can see the component of the PC is showing above, and this is a PC picture. I want to show this on my thumbnail. Now, according to YouTube, the thumbnail size is 1280 words and it's 720 its height. Just click this, so it could not autocorrect. 1280 red. Then here you can see I just converted to YouTube thumbnail size and Facebook post page. I zoom it for you. Here you can see here you can see that there are some component are missing where this picture is compressed. So I am going to solve this uh, problem in this video. Here you can see that you have 1280 is width and 720 is height. This is a YouTube thumbnail size and Facebook page post size. Now its picture is not complete. Now I'm just going to correct it. Here you can just click it picture, and here you can click the image and a fill and a crop image, and here you can just place this inside here. And now you can see that the complete picture adjusted according to the thumbnail size or the Facebook page. uh, this is the easiest way to do this. You can do it online for free. Do not purchase any software or uh, for this purpose. You can adjust your thumbnails according to this side. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching.